TalkTalk YouView recording has undergone significant changes. While the service landscape has shifted, existing customers still have access to powerful recording capabilities. TalkTalk discontinued new YouView Box installations in late 2023, shifting focus to streaming services and fiber broadband. However, final firmware updates were released in early 2024 to maintain Freeview compatibility, and technical support remains available through 2025. Most TalkTalk YouView boxes feature between 500 gigabytes to 1 terabyte of storage capacity. They use dual or triple tuner systems, allowing you to record one show while watching another, with support for both standard and high-definition recording. Storage capacity directly impacts your recording time. A 500 gigabyte box can store approximately 60 hours of high-definition content, while a 1 terabyte box doubles that to 120 hours. High-definition recordings use roughly twice the storage space of standard definition. The dual or triple tuner system is a key advantage of TalkTalk YouView boxes. This allows you to record one program while watching a completely different channel, or even record multiple shows simultaneously without any viewing interruptions. For existing TalkTalk YouView customers, the good news is that full recording functionality remains available. Technical support continues through 2025, though with reduced scope. As the industry shifts towards streaming, it's worth considering future alternatives while enjoying your current recording capabilities. Recording TV shows on your TalkTalk YouView box is straightforward. The most common method is using the Electronic Program Guide, or EPG, to find and record your favorite programs. Once you've found the program you want to record, simply press the red Record button on your remote control. This button is clearly marked and easy to identify. When you press record, you'll be given two main options: record just this single episode, or use Series Link to automatically record the entire series. Series Link is perfect for ongoing shows you don't want to miss. For more control over your recordings, you can use manual recording. This allows you to set specific times, channels, and durations for programs that might not appear correctly in the EPG. You can also search for programs by title, actor, or genre. This is especially useful when you know what you want to record, but aren't sure when it's on. Managing your storage space is important for continuous recording. You can delete watched content to free up space, or choose to record in standard definition instead of high definition to save storage. Sometimes you might have recording conflicts when multiple programs are scheduled at the same time. The system will alert you and offer options to resolve these conflicts, such as prioritizing certain recordings or using catch-up services instead. With these recording methods and management techniques, you can make the most of your TalkTalk YouView box's recording capabilities. Whether using simple EPG recording or advanced manual settings, you'll never miss your favorite shows again.